I'm gonna show you the all sheeps. Okay, they have beautiful sheeps here. Okay, but remember one thing. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome in other vlog. You are watching my YouTube channel. Live together. I am Riz. Okay, so today I'm gonna go in animal market. Okay, guys, it's called Maveshi Mandi, and it's not every day. It's only on Thursday. Okay, so let's go, guys. So guys, after market, I get into rickshaw because the mandi is so far away. Okay, so I'm sitting into rickshaw and now I'm still going to mandi. Mandi means market, animal market. Okay, so I told you Thursday is a special day in Pakistan. We have business day. Okay, on Thursday, so I'm still going. So guys, I am still going. I am in the rickshaw. Okay, so this is the nursery. Meanwhile, we can buy plants from this part. Okay, so I am going. It is also part of my village, but the mandi, it is so far away from my home. Okay, I am in a rickshaw and I am going towards the animal market, Maveshi Mandi. Okay, so you can imagine the speed of rickshaw is approximately 80 to 90 kilometer per hour. Okay, so let's go, and I am going. Okay, so this building, it is institute. Okay, I mean there's a lot of things. Okay, so you can watch the difference. You know what I want to say. I mean there are some small shops, there are some good shops, and this is a petroleum pump. Okay, we can buy petrol from this point. Okay, and once again you can watch that there are some small shops, there are some good shops because it is mixing. Okay, so if you want to come, you can come and you can buy. Okay, so it's a home. So I am going, and you can watch one more thing. The roads are under construction. You know what I mean, they are repairing our roads. But I want to tell you one thing. All the year, throughout all the year, the roads are still construction, in construction. You know why? Another petroleum pump. Okay, so in Pakistan, before they construct the R road, it is broken from another part. So that's why all the year, everywhere, every time, I never remember that I watched that the all roads are good, no construction any part. No, throughout the all year they are still constructions our road, because if they construct one point, the other point is broken. So it's common, guys, but thank God this road is good than other. Okay, so I am going. Okay, it is so far, you can watch. I am going very fast because I have to get there as fast as soon as possible. Okay, so let's go. And in front of my rickshaw there is another rickshaw. Okay, so there is another rickshaw, its color is green. So rickshaw is a normal vehicle we use to get right from one point to other point. It is if I want, I can get on a taxi, I can get on a car, but that will be very expensive. That's why I am on rickshaw. So we are still going. Okay, you can watch that the roads are broken and we have stone the sides of the road, and they're gonna repair it. Okay, so we pass that rickshaw because I want to get there fast as soon as possible. Today at this time it is hot, but a little bit clouds in the sky. Okay, so I don't know. So guys, now I reach, I think I am very close. Yes. So guys, I reach at Tool Plaza. Okay, Tool Plaza, the point where we do tax and we cross the road. Okay, it is okay, so the truck, the bus, you can watch. Okay, so other thing, now I reach at the animal market. Now I'm gonna discover the animal market. Okay guys, so I'm gonna give him 200 rupees because it was a long journey. Thank you. Okay, So guys, finally I reach at animal market, okay? So here's a lot of people, they are selling their animals. So guys, it is very hot, okay? It is very hot today, and a lot of people have animals, but today, okay, so you can watch, I'm showing you, they are dealing each other, okay? I'm still walking, okay? And you can imagine how much people is here. They are selling their animals. First of all, I'm gonna show you some goat. After that, I'm gonna show you some sheep. After that, I'm gonna show you cow, and then we will back to home, okay? I'm trying to show you all the goats, okay? Let's see how much. I'm walking between them. I will also show you that some people have stole the hair, okay? But now I'm just focus on the goats, because first of all I'm gonna show you the goat, okay? So, okay. So you can imagine how many people are here. They are just selling their animals, and some people are here, they are just buying the animals, okay? I think the seller is more than buyers. I mean, the people who want to sell is more than the people who want to buy. Okay, let's go. Guys, I'm trying to discover the all goats, okay? Maybe I missed something, okay? But today I'm trying to discover the all goats. Okay guys, so I'm still going, and you can imagine there's a lot. Okay, there's a lot of people. So guys, we can say that it's a end point, okay? So this point where people parking their bikes, okay? If I'm not on my bike, I was on rickshaw. If I am on bike, I can park my bike here, okay? So I'm going, and I'm gonna show you more goats. After that, my next target is to find sheep. Sheep is less than goat, okay? So you can watch a lot of goat, okay? Here are some sheep, but sheep are less than goat. I'm repeating, sheep are less than goat, okay? So I'm still going. Okay guys, so I discovered the all goats. There are few remaining, okay? I discovered more than 80%, okay? So I'm gonna show you the last one, okay? So you can watch it in my background, okay? So it's the last one, okay? So, he's saying I should show him. Yes, Shukriya Goda. So you can watch his feet. Okay, he is gonna sell this all goats, okay guys? That's a lot. Kitne? He has 16 goat. Only he has 16 goat, and he gonna sell it, okay? So I don't know if he can, but I think so. There's a beautiful, and you know they all have a sign, okay? So it means this is the sample which represent that the all goats is his goat, okay? So guys, you can watch that they have some signs, okay? They have some sample which represent that they have their goats, okay? So on this they have something on their legs, okay? So there are some other people, okay? They have also a lot of goats. Okay guys, look at this one. I like the brown goats, okay? Wow. Okay, so their all legs are wound, you know, I mean they cannot walk. You can watch. Okay, they do this because they don't want to lose their goats, okay? So I discovered the all goats, okay? So next I'm gonna show you sheep, okay? So first of all, my target was goat, okay? So I done it, okay? I discovered the all goats. Now I'm gonna show you sheep. So guys, I'm gonna start the next target. Our target is now sheep. Okay. Now I'm gonna show you the all sheep. Okay. They have beautiful sheep here. Okay. But remember one thing. Sheep is less than goat. Okay. So the sheep are less than goat. Okay. I'm gonna show you. Okay. So you can watch. There's a lot of people, they have sheep. I cannot ask them how much price is a sheep, okay? Because if I ask, they will ask me a question. Do you want to buy? I will say no. Then they will say they are not gonna tell me the price, okay? So I'm trying to find the sheep, but I tell you, sheep are less than the goat, okay? I tell you once again, sheep are less than the goat. It is difficult to find the sheep according to goat, okay? There's a lot of goat, but there's a less sheep. And I tell you one other thing, the third target, the big one like the cow, it is less than the sheep. So guys, it's another sheep, okay? I'm still walking and I am finding sheep, okay? Because I discovered goat and now I'm gonna find the sheep. I'm still walking, okay guys? And I'm gonna find more sheep. So let's see. Oh, I find it more sheep, okay? There are some more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? I don't know. Cute, very cute. Okay. There are also some other people, they have more sheep, okay? Okay guys, I'm still going. I'm still going and I'm searching sheep. I want to find sheep. Where is sheep? There are 3 more, okay? Wow. There are some more sheep, okay? And I think I discovered the all, okay? Now there are no more sheep. I ended this one and this. So guys, I've discovered sheep, goat, okay? So I discovered sheep and goat. Now my target is to find cow. After that I will back to home, okay? Guys, now I'm finding goat. Okay, so the cows, sorry. So it's also one of them. I have to discover all, but I told you cow is less than the other animals. There are 2 more, okay? And I'm still walking. So I discovered goat, sheep, and the last one is cow. Okay, so that's all. Because the cow is expensive animal, guys. Okay, so the cow is expensive animal. People don't want to buy cows. They want to buy, but they don't have much money, and that's why there are less cows than goat, than sheep. So I discovered the all cows, I discovered the all sheep, I discovered the all goat. Now the last thing, I'm gonna show you the stalls. People have little stalls here, okay? I'm gonna show you the stall, okay? After that we will back to our home. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna show you, they have a stall, they're selling kurli. We call this kurli, I don't know what we say in English. It is made by wood, okay? So we use it, we put grass into, then the animal eats, okay? We use it for animals, we put grass into it and then the animal eats, okay? So this is the first stall, okay? Now I'm gonna go to the next one, okay? So guys, it's another one, okay? They're selling ropes, they're selling some knives and a lot of things we need on daily basis, okay? So it is another stall, okay? So I discovered 2 stores. Next I'm gonna find more, okay? It's another one. Here we can sit and we can buy rice, okay? So we can buy a normal plow and we can eat here, okay? So it's another one. Here we find some drinks, okay? Here we can buy some drink like Pepsi, Dew, 7-Up, Sting, and we can buy pure water as well. So here we can buy some drinks, okay guys? It's another store. Guys, at this point we can buy rice, we can buy tea. Meanwhile, if I want to drink, if I want to take tea, I can take from this point. Okay, I can also eat some rice at this point, and it's another stall in the same animal market. Okay. Here guys we can find some juice. Okay, so if I want to buy some juice, I can buy from this point. Okay, if I want to buy some juice, it's a milkshake. Okay, if I want to buy some milkshake, I can buy from this point. Okay, so they selling milkshake juice. Okay, here. And this uncle he is selling chips. Okay, I can show you. This is the chips he's selling. Okay, I can buy chips if I want from this point, but I don't want to buy. Guys, try to understand. I don't want to buy. I already eat a lot of things. Okay, from my home, not from this point. More thing, it is not the part of Mandi, but it is here. Okay, so we call this ara woods cutting. Okay, it is the point where people cutting the woods. Okay, it is in the Mandi. I think I should show you. There is Mandi and it's away a little bit, so you can watch big woods and you can watch what they are doing here. So basically they are doing this thing. Okay, they are cutting it in a periodic manner. The other thing, it is going to there. Wow. Okay, after this gonna use in sabzi mandi. When I will go in sabzi mandi, I will show you how they are using this wood in sabzi mandi. Okay, so guys, it's another point. Here we can buy sharbat. Okay, like they have special type of drink. Okay, and from this point we can buy sattu. Okay, I think chacha sattu hai na, shikanji. Oh, we can buy shikanji from this point. I already drink shikanji. Okay, so guys, I discovered the all animal market, Maveshi Mandi. I tell you something about it. It's not every day. It's only on Thursday. Okay, it's so far from my home. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back to my home. But I tell you something. We sell their animals. Okay, and some people have some stall because it is a gathering point. So I showed you all also these stalls. I also show you how many people they are selling the animals. Okay. They want that I record their video. Okay. Thank you. So they are lovely people. Okay, they are selling goat, sheep, cows. But one thing remember, goat is more than sheep, and sheep is more than cow. Okay, and there are some stores. It was lovely vlog. Now I'm gonna back to my home because it's like 2 hours. I'm searching there. I'm making the best vlog. I'm trying to make the best vlog. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back to my home. But I tell you something. So it is the main road. Okay, so this side of main road they have Mandi here. Okay, I show you from the next point. Wait. So guys, okay, it is the main road. This side is Mandi and the other side it is the garden of orange. Okay, now I'm going back to my home. I need a ride. I need to get on rickshaw. I need to get on bike. I don't know how I'm gonna go, but I will try to find something. Okay, let's go guys, and bye bye. I'm gonna leave the animal market. Now. I'm going back to my home. Okay, so guys, once again I told you this side is garden and the other side is Mandi. Okay, between it is a main road. Okay, and I tell you something more. Okay, I miss that stall. Like they selling it is a fence. Okay, we can use this for fencing. Okay, you know what I mean. We can use this thing for fencing. It's another stall. They are selling it. Okay, so now I'm going back to my home. I discovered the animals, other things, and I'm trying to get on a ride. I don't know. I hope so that I will find a ride, but I am not sure that I can find or not. So I'm back to my home, and I tell you one more thing. It's a toll plaza. Okay, toll plaza mean when we pass this point we have to pay tax. You can watch. Okay, I'm gonna show you. Not the bike, the cars, the bus, the big vehicles. They do tax. Okay, they give them tax, then they can pass this point. Okay, and by this money we repair our roads. Okay, so look, you can watch. So there is no tax on rickshaw. Rickshaw can go, but if we talk about the cars, the other vehicles, they have to pay some tax. Okay. So guys, I'm back to my home. It was so far, and for cat hair, I paid 200 rupees to a rickshaw. Okay, and I hope so. I will find something. Otherwise, I have to walk. If I find something, it's okay. Otherwise, I have to walk till the main market, and after the main market, I can get on easily on rickshaw. Okay. Guys, there is a person. He is out of animal market. He buy two this. कितने दे किधर? हाँ? He buy the two goats for 80,000. Very expensive. I think it is very expensive. Maybe he's telling a lie because I'm not sure. It's not 80,000 won. If it is, it's very expensive, guys. I told you. Someone stopped his bike for me, and now I'm gonna get on a bike. Okay, so I'm going to Man Market Bazaar. Okay, so it was a lovely vlog. I just came here to make this vlog. I was not here to buy any animal. I was not here to sell any animal. I was just here to buy, just here to discover the animal market. Maveshi Mandi. We call this Maveshi Mandi. It is only on Thursday. Okay, now I'm back to my home.